Hi dear friends! Mostly all microwaves are made of stainless steel or enamel inside. Sometimes they are provided with grill. Today I'll show you how to clean microwave made of enamel without grill.
Before starting cleaning inside your microwave, take glass platform and ring out of it. Place both items on the counter close by. Then spray inside the microwave, including top, side walls and bottom of it. Don't forget to spray microwave door inner side and glass platform on the counter in order to loosen stains. This particular microwave is dark enamel inside without grill, which is good for better cleaning. To spray glass platform, microwave and its door inside, you may use Windex Original or 409 all-purpose cleaner. Pay special attention to the places with stubborn stains. Spray them thoroughly and leave the microwave for 10-15 minutes. After 10-15 minutes, take regular sponge and wipe down the microwave inside with tough side of the sponge. Do it according to the golden rules of cleaning. First, wipe down the top, then clean side walls, moving left to right. After that, clean the bottom. Finally, wipe down the door inside. Now you need to remove water excess from inside the microwave. Use paper towel to do the job. Again, start doing that from the top, then wipe down walls left to right. Finish with wiping down the door inside. This procedure helps to remove both water excess and dirt. Finally, as usual, take clean, dry microfiber cloth and polish the microwave inside. Start from the top of it, then polish walls left to right. Finish polishing with the bottom of the microwave. That's it. Your dark enamel microwave inside is completely cleaned and there are no residues in it. Then move to cleaning glass platform. After spraying the platform and leaving it for 10-15 minutes to loosen stains, take regular sponge and remove spots. You may use scraper to loosen stubborn stains. Then wipe down the glass with paper towel to delete water excess and polish with microfiber cloth. Put the platform back into the microwave. Now you have your microwave totally cleaned inside with the glass platform in it. I'm sure you will easily manage this kind of job.